she needed a bath bad, but she was only dusty because it doesn't hit the elements very often anymore these days. But yeah, she does get dusty up in that shop. Gonna about to be shiny real soon. Yep, after all these years, that sea quartz is still holding up. But again, it doesn't see any daylight. Chills in the shop, so that's why. But look at that bead. Yeah. Oh yeah, nice and shiny again. It's been a while. I got the same excuse I always have. The shop is super busy. I don't have time to play with my toys the way I wish I did, but once in a while we get it out here, get a little bit of soap suds on it, bump some beats, maybe take a little ride and park it again and get back at it. Let's do a quick little bass boom bottom test just to make sure that she still plays and she's still got it. We're missing something. Hey babe, got time for a little woofer excursion test? Come on out real quick. I need to do something with me. I mean, what's a woofer excursion test without a little bit of hair in the window? Thanks babe, you're always a good sport. Where are you at? All right, I'll make this fast and easy. I just wanted to make sure everything was still working. Got it all clean and shiny. All right.
In other words, to drop bottom without bottoming out.
Boom, boom, bond, bang, boom, bond, bang, bang, boom, boom, bond, bang.
got it.
Bang,